Hello friends, I'm back with a new recipe, very easy recipe, quickly done. It's called rich gourd thoran. It's from the state of Kerala where my husband belongs. So you can see this rich gourd are from my garden, fresh ones, and I'm just cleaning it. Remove the hard pointed ones, just scrape it with the knife. And then I'm also making a chutney out of the peels, so I'm taking some more of the peel with the scraper. So that recipe is there in my videos. I'll give you the link. See, I'm just scraping the hard part. I got the rich gourd on all shapes and sizes from my garden. Rich gourd is very good for weight loss. It's got lots of fibers, so it's very good for digestion. It regulates blood sugar as it is very low glycemic index. You can see I'm just scraping all the rich gourd. That pointed part is very hard to cook and also to eat, so it's good to scrape it off. Rich gourd is also full of nutrients, vitamins and minerals. And now you can see I'm scraping the peels because I'm going to make a chutney out of that. So otherwise just remove the hard part as before and just use the vegetable. This process is not needed. I'm doing this because I'm going to make a chutney out of that. That's why. Rich gourd also supports heart health. It supports liver health. It's very good for detoxification of the liver. Now you see I have just removed the peels and washed it. Here I am showing the difference, unpeeled and the peeled and cleaned ones. This is the unpeeled one and this one is the peeled and cleaned washed one. So I just wanted to show the difference. Now we cut it into small cubes about 1 centimeter. Rich gourd is also good for eye health as it has beta carotene. It has lots of antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory, relieves body pain, protects from allergies, relieves sinusitis, and also treats fungal infections. You can see now after making the strips, I'm cutting into small pieces. This will be cooked along with onion, garlic, cumin, and lots of coconut. That's how they make in the state of Kerala. You can see I have separated the peel for the chutney. This is the peel. Then this is the pieces I have cut it. Onion, cumin seeds, few garlic cloves, green chilies, salt, and lots of coconut. And I'll be making this with coconut oil. So the recipe for the chutney is there in one of my videos. I will give you the link for that. That's also a very tasty chutney and full of good health. This may also cause bloating if we consume large amount because it has got lots of fiber. It may cause some digestive issues if consumed in large amounts. So here you can see in a pan I have taken that without oil. The stove is not on now. I'm just mixing all the ingredients: onion, garlic, cumin seeds, coconut, salt. That is all the ingredients. Just give it a good mix now. And just sprinkle little water for it to steam and cook. That is the procedure. That's all we have to do. This is the green chilies. So all the ingredients are added now, along with the cumin seeds and coconut. Lastly, we'll add coconut. Check for the salt. This is the coconut. Sorry, this is the onion. And now the coconut. Give it a good mix again. Sprinkle some water. That is all. Not much of water because this vegetable has got lots of water in it. Mix it again. And now put on the stove and start the cooking. I am using the rich gourd pieces as a hair dye also. You can just grind it nicely and use it as a paste on the hair. I also do with that. And I just added lots of cumin seeds. Again mix it. I am also using this rich gourd pieces. Just cut them nicely, dry them and put it in your hair oil. So I make my own hair oil with many ingredients, herbs and roots. So one of them is this. It darkens your hair, gives a good black color. So here I am adding lots of curry leaves along with the sticks. It gives a nice flavor and taste. I'll just close it and cook it now. It will hardly take 10 minutes. It cooks very easily and very fast. Just give it a mix in between. Check for the salt and then cook for 5 more minutes. After the cooking, we'll temper it. For that I took some coconut oil, about 2 teaspoons, and I added mustard, allowed it to crackle. You can also add urad dal or Bengal gram for crackling, and some curry leaves, and if you want you can add red chilies also, but I'm not adding, I'm just adding curry leaves. If you want some heat in this, you can add some red chilies while crackling. Now I'm adding the tempering to the main dish that we cooked. Just give it all a nice mix, and our dish is almost done. It's a very healthy way of cooking, very tasty also, very simple and very easily done. You can serve it with rice or chapati. That's how it is served. Just check if it is cooked and you can serve it now. I hope you are liking my recipes. I'm just serving it in a bowl now. along with the sticks. That's how it is done in our hometown. In villages, that's how they do it. It's fresh, nicely cooked, tempered, and full of flavor. I hope you like this recipe. Do share it with your friends and family. Try it at your home. Thank you all for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Do motivate me and give me your comments and your feedback on this recipe. Thank you. We'll meet in the next recipe.